Organic estimation of ethyl acetate. Determine the amount of ethyl acetate volumetrically in given solution. Our requirements are ethyl acetate sample, 1 normal NaOH, 0.1 normal HCl and phenolphthalein indicator. Let us see procedure. Let us do standardization of NaOH. Take 25 ml 1 normal NaOH in 250 ml volumetric flask. And make it 250 ml with distilled water up to mark. Shake it well. Transfer 25 ml of the solution in conical flask. Add few drops of phenolphthalein indicator. Fill 0.1 normal HCl in burette. Remove air bubble from burette tip pressing pinch cork. Again fill 0.1 normal HCl in burette up to 0 mark. And do titration of titrant against titrant. Endpoint will be pink to colorless. That is 23.5 ml. Now take ethyl acetate sample in round bottom flask and transfer 25 ml 1 normal NaOH in it. Add a piece of porcelain in RBF. Feed the RBF with water condenser, keeping in water bath. This is reflux assembly. Now turn on water flow and Bunsen burner. Let to do reflux for 2 hours. After 2 hours, turn off Bunsen burner and water flow and keep out RBF from reflux assembly. Cool the RBF and transfer RBF content in 250 ml volumetric flask. And make it 250 ml with distilled water up to mark. Shake it well. Suck up 25 ml of this solution. And transfer in conical flask. Add few drops of phenolphthalein and titrate the titrant against 0.1 normal HCl. Endpoint will be pink to colorless. That is 13.2 ml. Now see the observation and observation table for standardization of NaOH solution. The burette reading is 23.5 ml. Using this burette reading, do the calculation of normality of NaOH as shown. Now see the observation and observation table for actual estimation. The burette reading is 13.2 ml. Now using burette readings from two observation table, do the calculation of amount of ethyl acetate in given solution as shown.